Are you tired of damaging your hair just to achieve a stunning look? Discover how you can get fabulous styles without sacrificing your hair's health. The loose bun provides a chic look with minimal effort and care. The long bob enhances volume while protecting your hair's ends. The half-up style brings glamour without damaging your strands. Opt for a braided braid to combine style with hair protection. Loose curls emphasize elegance with gentle styling methods. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.